Good morning, everyone. Live on location in the front yard. It is Tuesday, the 27th of May 2025. It is plus 14 out here on the west coast of Okanagan Lake. And it is going to be a not too bad day. Maybe up to 22. We'll see what happens. Anyways, we got a clip here from Grand Prairie. They're having not too bad weather and got a croak happening. So here we go. The computer for the weather on the deck is screwed up, so that's why we're going to be doing shorts for a little while. Anyways, here's weather from Grand Prairie. Hey, if you like these videos, like, share, and subscribe. We're on our way to 1 million subscribers.
Good morning, folks in the Okanagan. It's a nice day. Slight breeze right now. Hopefully when the sun comes up, the breeze will die down. And the old crow is still here every morning. She makes a sound like a pigeon. Bends her head down and does this weird sound. All right, have a good day.
Drive safe. And peace out.